Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
小
First, let's learn the pronunciation.
小西一袄小小小狗小狗我养了一只小狗，我养了一只小狗。小心，小心，走路要小心，走路要小心。小吃，小吃，中国的小吃有很多，中国的小吃有很多。
Let's learn how to write this character. The left and right dots should be written symmetrically. These two dots should not be too close together. Keep them apart a little. Pay attention to centering the middle stroke. This character is the opposite of big, and its original meaning is tiny and narrow. In Chinese culture, it represents humility, low-key, and restraint. That's all for today's study. Bye.